Okay, so the question was asked, how do we add files to an announcement in Canvas? And I think this would be a great opportunity to invite students to participate to activities on campus. So I thought I would just illustrate how I do it for my courses. So what I do is, let's go and do it. So here, okay, so I'm in my Canvas shell. I'm going to go to announcements. And the thing about Canvas is that you can't cut and paste like we were able to do in the Word. And I do want you to see that the Day of Gratitude event that's going on tomorrow, when I click on this event, notice how I was able to embed an image. There's a difference of embedding a picture and embedding a PDF file. So you just want to be mindful on that. So when you create an announcement, and here we would have add an announcement. And so I'm just going to, I forgot what the title was, but I'll fix it in a moment. But it was something to do with FBI. And if you want to offer your students extra credit, you could do that. But I would specify how many points. So maybe, I'll do this for my class and I'll say, hey, you could get 3 points. Is that cheap? Okay. Maybe 5 points. I don't know, to be added to an assignment. So what I would do is I would have to go over here to File. See, that will be a big difference. If it was a JPEG, you will go to Images. But here we will go to Files, and then I will scroll. Yeah. Oh yeah. Upload a new file. Then you have to browse. And then I saved it in my downloads, and so I have quite a bit of stuff going on here. So let me just go and find quite a bit. It's not there. So maybe it's down here. Oh, here it is. So the FBI flyer. I will open it and then scroll down. My screen is not. Here it is. And then you hit upload. And then it should, there it is. And that's the thing about the difference between a JPEG and a PDF file. And I would just probably center it. You don't get to actually see the image. And so when well, let's just see how many of my students do go. So then when you hit save, this is what you see. It's different than the other one because that was JPEG, but if they click here, then the file will appear. So it's just another button, but it's perfectly fine. And then it'll have the provided information. So, and now we're done with that.